Okay, dear students, so today now we are going to discuss about silent features and economic importance of Mononchlamydeae. This is our topic today. We are going to discuss about in that one. So next one, before going the Mononchlamydeae, so when you know the taxonomy, it is to very so the Mononchlamydeae it is to very easy. The first, so what is the meaning of taxonomy? Taxonomy is the science of naming, describing and classifying organisms and includes all the plants and animals, so microorganisms in the world. The first of all, who is father of taxonomy? Means here Carus Linnaeus is father of taxonomy. Carus Linnaeus entered the plant kingdom. First he divided in two categories. Number one, that is in cryptograms, number two, that is in phanerograms. So what is the meaning of cryptograms? So all the plants are not looking the same, that's why here the plant kingdom are mainly divided into two categories. Number one, that is in cryptograms. The cryptograms means where the non-flowering plants, that is in cryptograms. Second one is phanerograms. Phanerograms means that is in flowering plants. But again the Linnaeus scientist in all the cryptograms are divided mainly three categories. Number one, that is in Thallophyta, number two, that is in Bryophyta, number third one, that is in Pteridophyta. So what is the meaning of Thallophyta? Here the plant undifferentiated means there is no proper root system, there is no proper stem system, there is no proper leaf systems. So this is these plant all it is in only prostate systems. So we call that is in Thallophyta. But all the thallophytic plants are not looking the same. But again these thallophytic plants are divided in number two categories. One, it is in algae. Number second one, that is in fungus. So what is the meaning of algae? Algae means the first photosynthetic land plants, that is in algae. Second one, that is in fungus. Fungus means a chlorophyll, non-chlorophyll plants. It is depending on where the host. Without host there is no fungus. So that is in fungus plants. And next one, second one, that is in Bryophyta. So what is the meaning of Bryophyta? Bryophyta means it is an intermediate position of cryptograms. That's why these are all the plants you are looking. Some of the plants are water, some of the plants are land. Both plants you are looking in bryophytic plants. So we call that is in amphibian plants. So based on the bryophytic plants, again it is divided in three categories is there. So next to the third one, that is in Pteridophyta. So Pteridophyta means the plants when we are looking, it is in a quail type, means so it is looking like a quail types. That's why these are all the plants or it is in land plants. So these three categories is there in cryptograms. And second one, that is in phanerograms. The phanerograms again it is in two sections. Number one, that is in angiosperms. So second one, so first one is a gymnosperms. Second one, that is in angiosperms. So this is the first general classifications. The Carus Linnaeus, also known as the often called the father of taxonomy, a system for naming, ranking and classifying organisms, is still in the wide use today. The taxonomy generally they categorize organisms on the basis of similarity and dissimilarity. The principles rank in taxonomy or domain: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Species is most important. So group of the species we call that is in genus, group of the genus we call that is in family. Similarly order, class, phylum, kingdoms. So this is a little bit introduction of in taxonomy. So what is the background of plant taxonomy? Taxonomy means it is a systematic in the study of description on various among organisms in order to come out with the classification systems. So organisms that are arranged into group enable to large population to be categorized and understood. So taxonomy began about 300 before that is often crisped by Theophrastus. So 372 to 55 GC. Linnaeus is regarded as the founder of the taxonomy. So till today now father of taxonomy. So what is the importance of taxonomy? The arrangement of elements of taxa, plants into a more systematic manner so that they can be better understood and could be used easily and more effectively to arrange systematic in data and information and knowledge about the plants. So next one, to indicate the source and genetic relationship. So that is often phylogenetic, means so where this plant are coming, where the ancestors. So for example, bryophytic plants are coming in algae, pteridophytic plants are coming in bryophyte, where the ancestor also. So we are saying that is importance of in taxonomy to indicate the description and habitat of plant on earth in their benefit. So mainly this taxonomy depending on three characters. Number one, that is in identifications. Number two, that is in nomenclatures, and third one, that is in classifications. So what is the meaning of identifications? The first, so where you are identified this plant, that is in identifications. So when you are completed in identifications, so next one, second one, that is in nomenclatures. So where you are observed and what type of structure is there, what type of root is there, so which name just suitable in that, that is in nomenclatures. And next to third one, that is in classifications. So classification means it is depending on in the three characters. So number one, that is in natural classifications. Number two, that is in artificial classifications. Number third one, that is in phylogenetic classifications. So here, what is the meaning of natural classifications? Natural classifications means, so here we are not giving any type of artificial structures. Whatever we are looking, whatever you are observing, based on that one, when you are going to the classifications, that is in natural classifications. Similarly, second one that is in artificial classifications. So what is the meaning of artificial classifications? Means here, so we are giving some type of the characters. So what type of leaf shape is there, what type of stem shape is there. So based on that one, when you are going to the classifications, we call that is in artificial classifications. And next, third one that is in phylogenetic classifications. So this is the most important, and so we call that is the recent trend classifications. Phylogenetic means, so where the ancestors of in this plant group. So I already told now, so all the pteridophytic plants are coming in Bryophyta, bryophyte plants are coming in Thallophyta. Similarly, in all the phenograms plants are coming in cryptograms. So one of the order when you are studying in, so where the ancestors of these group of plants, we call that is in phylogenetic classifications. And now this is the most important here. There are so many members are classified different type of the classifications, in spite of in all the Commonwealth countries, so except in Europe and America not followed in this classifications, but in our country, in all the Commonwealth countries are followed in Bentham-Walker classifications. So here the Bentham-Walker entire the plant kingdoms are classified in two groups. One, it is in cryptograms, second one that is in phanerograms. See, non-flowering plants, second one that is in flowering plants. So again these phanerograms, okay. So why means now we are going to studying in Mononchlamydeae, that's why. See that phanerograms are divided mainly three categories, means these classifications depending on floral characters, okay. So the floral characters means always it is constant, never it is not change. That's why this classification is depending on floral characters. The phanerograms are divided mainly three classes. Number one, that is in dicotyledons, number two, that is in gymnosperms, number third one, that is in Mononchlamydeae. So what is the meaning of dicotyledons? Dicots means where we are looking in two cotyledons, and second one that is in taproot system is there. So where the reticulate venation is there, based on the three characters, so we are saying that is in dicotyledons, okay. So next, second one that is in gymnosperms. Gymnosperms means G-Y-M-N-O, gymno means naked, where we are looking in the naked seeds, that is in gymnosperms. And third one that is in monocotyledons, so where we are looking in only one seed, one cotyledons, we call that is in monocot. Okay, now these phenoderms are divided in 3 classes. Similarly, again these dicotyledons are divided in 3 subclasses. So based on the, so that is of in position of in gynoeciums, it is divided in 3 categories. Number 1, that is in polypetalae, number 2, that is in gamopetalae, and third one, that is in Mononchlamydeae. So what is the meaning of in polypetalae? I already told this classification depending on the floral characters. Petals, where the petals are free, that is in polypetalae. Second one, that is in gamopetalae. So where the petals are united, that is in gamopetalae. And third one, this is today's our topic, that is in Mononchlamydeae. So later we will discuss in Mononchlamydeae. First one, see the polypetalae, again it is divided. Okay, series is there, that is in thalamiflorae, calyciflorae and discflorae. So next one, gamopetalae, that is of in inferae, heteromerae, and next one, that is in bicarpellatae. Okay, so what is the meaning of in thalamiflorae? Thalamiflorae means hypogynous, depending on the position of gynoeciums. It is depending on 3 types. Number 1, that is thalamiflorae, discflorae and calyciflorae. So based on the carpels, these gametophyte are divided in 3 series, that is in inferae and heteromerae, and next one, that is in bicarpellatae. So next one, this one is most important, that is of in Mononchlamydeae. So what is the meaning of in Mononchlamydeae? You see, when we are looking in the flower, generally is a 4 parts is there. One, it is in calyx, second one, that is in corolla, and third one, that is in androecium, and next one, that is in gynoeciums. 4 parts is there in one flower. Here below parts mean that is of in calyx and corolla, we call that is in non-essential organs. So next one, that is in androecium, gynoecium, that is in essential organs. So based on these characters, okay, you see Mononchlamydeae, where the petals and sepals are united. Here the petals are not free, here the petals are not united. Where the petals and sepals, where the united, so we call that is in one special name is there, that is in perianth. Where the united in sepals and petals, we call that is in Mononchlamydeae. Okay, so this Mononchlamydeae, generally it is divided in 7 series is there. So one, that is of in Curvembriae. This is the most important, the first primitive, we call that is of in Curvembriae. So here we are looking in 6 families is there. In that 6 families, one, it is in Nyctaginaceae families is there, and next one, that is in Amaranthaceae family. Sir, how can we identify it in Curvembriae? Means here with endosperm seed is there, that is in Curvembriae. Here 6 families is there. And second one, that is of in multi-ovulate aquatic series is there. You see here aquatic means where the water is there, where the water plants. Where the water plants we are looking, that is in multi-ovulate aquatic. So here we are looking in only one family is there, that is in Podostomaceae. Yes. So now we are going to discuss about Mononchlamydeae. So this Mononchlamydeae total 7 series is there. The first one, that is in Curvembriae. Sir, how can we identify it in Curvembriae? So here we are looking in 6 families. So that is of with endosperm seeds is there. So where we are looking that type of the seeds, we call that is in Curvembriae. So here for example, that is in Nyctaginaceae, and second one, that is in Amaranthaceae. So Amaranthaceae family, so already you know that is of in leafy vegetables. And the next second one, that is of in multi-ovulate aquatic. Aquatic means that is in water plant. Multi-ovulate aquatic. So here we are looking in only one family, that is of in Podostomaceae. All the aquatic plant we are looking in this series. So next one, that is of in multi-ovulate terrestres. Terrestres means these are all the plants, or we are looking in only where the land. Here we are looking in only 3 families is there. So all the plants are looking in only land, that is of in multi-ovulate terrestres plant. And next one, that is of in Micrombiae. So Micrombia, here we are looking in, that is 4 families is there, and next one that is of in Dopnalis. So here we are looking in 5 families is there, and next one that is of in Chlamydospores. In this Chlamydospores we are looking 3 families is there, and next one that is of in Unisexualis, that is of in 9 families is there, and next one that is of in Ordinis, and you must see here we are looking that is in 9 families is there. So this is of in Mononchlamydeae. So next, now you see here, so we are going to the clear discuss about the Mononchlamydeae. So Mononchlamydeae is a botanical term referring to a subclass of flowering plants. The plants are classified under the Mononchlamydeae, have flowers with a single floral envelope, that is of a perianth. See, already I told the flower 4 parts is there, 2 non-essential organs, calyx and corolla. Calyx and corolla together, this is only 1 rose. So where we are looking in 1 rose, we call that is in perianth. So that is English name, it is in tepals. So which lacks of differentiated into distinct sepals and petals. Because this is the most important character in Mononchlamydeae. And you see, where is the ancestors of in Mononchlamydeae? So when we are looking in Gamopetalae in Asteraceae family, so in Asteraceae family the flower head inflorescence is there. In, for example, that is of in Tridax procumbens, Chrysanthemum indicums. So these are all the Asteraceae family. In this Asteraceae family, so there we are looking head inflorescence. In this head inflorescence, 2 types of florets is there. So one it is in disc floret, second one that is of in ray floret. So there also we are not looking in proper petals and so other things. Here the sepals are modified as a calyx. So similar characters we are looking, that's why this Mononchlamydeae is ancestors of in which one, that is in so Asteraceae. Similarly, second that is of in Brassicaceae family. In the context of dicotyledons, where the perianth typically consists of sepals and petals, Mononchlamydeae exhibits similar floral characters. This subclass includes the diverse range of plant families, each with its own unique characters is there. The example families within Mononchlamydeae including, see, now first one that is of in Asteraceae family, second one that is of in Brassicaceae family, and next one that is of in Apiaceae family. The classification is based on shared morphological features and service way to characterize and understood in this group of plant. So similarly, next one more identification characters of in Mononchlamydeae. Mononchlamydeae is a subclass of flowering plants characterized by a single floral envelope or perianth with the distinct sepals and petals. The simplified floral characters distinguishes them from dicotyledons. The Mononchlamydeae encompasses diverse of plant families including, I already told, that is of an Asteraceae family and Brassicaceae family, and other one more is there, that is of an Apiaceae family. So their adaptability to various environments and reproductive stages such as wind or insect pollinations contributes to their global distributions. Economically, the Mononchlamydeae plants are vital for in agriculture, providing essential food crops like broccoli and cabbage, as well as medicinal herbs such as fennel and coriander. Their adaptability also makes them suitable for cultivation diverse in climates. So next, now what is the in-depth characters of in floral structures? Mononchlamydeae is characterized by a simple floral structures, unlike that is dicotyledons, which typically have distinct sepals and petals. Mononchlamydeae plants exhibits a single floral envelope or perianth. So these structure consist of undifferentiated floral parts contributing to the subclass unique appearance. So and what is the clear details? The floral structure of Mononchlamydeae is characterized by the presence of a single floral envelope or perianth which lacks the typical differentiated into sepals and petals found in dicotyledonous plants. So, here the single perianth is there. Monoclamydeae flowers exhibits of solitary perianth serving as the protective covering for the reproductive organs. This is single floral envelope differentiated into separate sepals and petals representing simplified structure compared to dicotyledons of the plants. So, undifferentiated pods. So, unlike dicots where the sepals and petals is distinguishable, the Monoclamydeae species typically have differentiated perianth pods. This lack of distinction between the sepals and petals is key characters of the subclass. So, what is the main adaptations and what is the reproductive structures of Monoclamydeae? With Monoclamydeae, there is a considerable diversity in reproductive structures. Some species may have evolved specific adaptations such as modified stamens is there, and other corpels also we are looking enhance their reproductive structures. These adaptations are often influenced by the pollination strategies employed by the plants. It is important to note while Monoclamydeae is characterized by simplified floral structures, there can be variation among the differentiation plants and species within these subclasses. So, these classification based on shared features, but specific floral structures many may vary among the diverse plant groups, so encompassed by Monoclamydeae. So, what is the adaptability of Monoclamydeae? Monoclamydeae plants are display remarkable adaptability to various environmental conditions. This adaptability is advantageous for their widespread distributions, allowing them to thrive to diverse climates and ecosystems around the world. So, diversity families of Monoclamydeae. The subclass includes several prominent plant families, each with own unique is their characters. Notable families with Monoclamydeae including Ostraceae, the Brassicaceae, Apiaceae are more. This diversity contributes to the ecological and economic significance of Monoclamydeae. Okay. So, this is the most adaptability section. And next, what is the pollination mechanisms of Monoclamydeae? The reproductive stages of Monoclamydeae often involved specialized pollination mechanism is there. So, these adaptations influence the plants of reproductive success and ecological rules. So, this is of adaptability. So, next now we are going to discuss what is the economic importance of Monoclamydeae. So, Monoclamydeae already told this is a most vital role play in our entire society. So, in agriculture and medicinals everything is the most important play role in Monoclamydeae. So, first agriculturists. The Monoclamydeae plants play crucial role in agriculture as many of them are important for food crops, mainly we know already Brassicaceae family. Okay. So, mustard seeds Brassicaceae family for instance of includes. So, next one economical significance crops such as that is of in all vegetables, cabbage and broccoli and mustard. These crops contribute so sustainably to global food production and directly diversity. So, this is often, so we are saying leafy vegetables. And next one, some of the group of the plants in Monoclamydeae. So, we are using in medicinals. Several Monoclamydeae species have medicinal properties adding their economic importance. So, the plants of the mainly that is of an Apiaceae family. So, including that is often fennel, coriander are not only used to that is often culinary applications, but also traditional medicines. So, compounds these plants may have anti-inflammatory and digestive and other health related benefits. So, these are all the Monoclamydeae we are using so many medicines, some digestive disorders and other stomach pains, bone pains, whatever it may be. So, these are all the Mononchlamydeae plants we are using in medicinal purpose also. See, some of the Mononchlamydeae plants we are using in aromatic. Aromatic means, so when we are looking the smell. So, certain Mononchlamydeae plants are valued for their essential oils and aromatic compounds is there in that one. For example, that is in Apiaceae family, Amaranthaceae family. So, these are all the families. So, we are using in where the production to the oil sections. So, oil industries we are using all these plants. These oils have application. So, where we are using these are all the oil means it is perfumes and cosmetics and other pharmaceutical industries contributing to their economic, and not only medicinals and so not only vegetables, these Mononchlamydeae plants. So, we are using in horticulture and some of the plants it is in ornamentals. Ornamental plants with Mononchlamydeae such those from the Amaranthaceae family are widely used in horticultures. In Amaranthaceae family we are using in horticulture sections. So, this is the most important family in Mononchlamydeae. These plants enhance to the where it is gardens, which one that is of landscapes and floral arrangements contributing to the ornamental horticulture industries. So, not only that horticulture and some of the Mononchlamydeae plants are using in honey productions. So, many Mononchlamydeae plants, particularly those in the related in Ostraceae family, service as important where the nectar source for bees. So, beekeepers often it is really on these plants to product high quality honey. The economic value of honey productions in significant globally contributing to both it is a local economics and their agricultural sectors. And you see some of the Mononchlamydeae plants we are using in cultivations. So, adaptability for cultivations. The adaptability of Mononchlamydeae plants to different climates and soil conditions makes them suitable for cultivation in various regions. So, these adaptability enhance agricultural productivity by providing reliable crops that then can be grown in diverse environment. So, you see these Mononchlamydeae plants are also so in ecosystems. The ecological importance Mononchlamydeae extends behind the agricultures. The plants with subclasses contribute to ecosystem services including stabilizations, water filterizations and support for diverse in the wildlife. The ecological role adds to their overall economic significance by the promoting environment sustainability. So, this is the Mononchlamydeae. So, thank you very much.